In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your WordPress password using Hostinger in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we're going to head over to the Hostinger website. It's your gateway to managing your hosting and domains, and where we'll make these changes today. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Hostinger's homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice the Login button prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Please provide your login credentials to access your Hostinger account. After entering your details, click on Login to proceed to your dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to Hostinger's main interface. Here, you'll want to locate the Home option. This is where you can find an overview of your current hosting account and some essential management options. Click on Home to proceed. Now that you're in the Home section, focus your attention on the Hosting tab. Clicking on it will take you to a page where you can manage your current hosting plans, settings, and details. Once you're on the hosting page, it's time to click on the Manage button adjacent to the domain you want to work with. This will give you more specific controls for the site you wish to edit. Within this management panel, look for the Files option. This will direct you towards all the files associated with your site, a crucial step in our process today. Click on Files and then select File Manager. The File Manager is your direct portal to all the files living on your hosting server, similar to the File Explorer on your computer. Once in File Manager, you'll see an option to access all files of premium web hosting. Clicking this expands your options to the primary domain files. Now, navigate to the Domains folder. This folder houses all the domains you own that are hosted with Hostinger. Click on it, and then locate the specific domain directory you want to edit. Here, you're looking for the public HTML folder. It contains the core files needed to run your WordPress site. Clicking on public HTML opens up the main directory. Inside this public HTML directory, scroll through the files until you find wp-config.php. Clicking on wp-config.php opens this vital configuration file in edit mode. This PHP file contains all your essential WordPress database connection details and other configuration settings. As you scroll down within the wp-config.php file, look for the database settings section. This is where you'll find the database name and user credentials. Understanding this part is crucial as it indirectly helps in managing your site's login credentials effectively. However, remember, this process does not directly change your WordPress password, but helps you comprehend the files and settings involved in managing passwords through database connections, which can be handled via pap-myadmin by inserting new encrypted password values. And with that, you're done. You've successfully navigated through Hostinger to gain access to the essential foundational files for changing your WordPress password. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.